This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the glider in Tears of the Kingdom. To begin, simply jump from any elevated position and press the jump button again while airborne to deploy your glider. Once deployed, use the left stick to steer Link, guiding his descent and direction. Remember to keep an eye on your stamina wheel. Managing it effectively is key for extended flights across Hyrule's vast landscapes. Beyond basic flight, the glider offers advanced maneuvers. Look for updrafts, often created by fires or specific environmental elements, to quickly ascend and extend your flight time. You can also creatively combine gliding with other abilities, like ascend, to reach new heights or recall to reverse your position. Practice releasing the glider just before landing for a smooth, precise arrival at your desired spot. Stamina is your most valuable resource when gliding. Always keep a close watch on your green stamina wheel. When it depletes, Link will fall. To restore it, simply land on any solid surface for a moment, and it will quickly regenerate. For truly long-distance journeys, prepare and consume stamina-boosting meals or elixirs, which can provide a substantial increase to your available airtime. The glider isn't just for travel. It's a versatile tool for combat and utility. You can initiate powerful aerial attacks on enemies below, gaining a strategic advantage. It's also excellent for quickly escaping perilous situations or environmental dangers. Furthermore, the glider allows you to reach otherwise inaccessible hidden areas and provides a unique perspective for solving various environmental puzzles scattered throughout the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.